award is Best Startup School in Hyderabad Education goes to Dr. B. Santosh Kumar Reddy, Chairman, Santosh Reddy International Schools. Sir has flown all the way from Hyderabad to the capital city to receive the award.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. I anchor Neha Srivastava. Today I'm standing with a gentleman. So what's your good name?
My name is Santosh. So I'm the chairman of Santosh Reddy International Schools. So this year only we started the school. So just now we got a best startup school in Hyderabad.
Oh, very nice.
So we are committed to the education from nursery section onwards. We are more committed to the education in the form of whatever maybe life skills, whatever maybe the overall development of the student. So from 6th class onwards, we are going to more focus on IIT, NEET, and whatever maybe the management courses like that.
Very nice. So how are you feeling today after getting this award?
Yeah, this award had given me the more responsibility toward the society for the development of the education. Thank you for Global Awards for giving this opportunity and for giving this award, for encouraging the top 50 of the Indian leaders.
Congratulations, sirs. Thank you so much.